there, this is Dustin from Guys with Games, and today's game is called Honeycomb. This game does involve a little bit of preparation, so you're gonna have to write down some questions and some answers beforehand that are suitable for the level of the class. So, on my sheet, I have questions and answers. All these letters here correspond to the answers of the questions. The main point of the game is that the green team is going to fill in these letters, making a line going across, and the orange team is going to fill in the letters, making a line going up and down. Whoever can accomplish their goal first is the winner. The class is divided into two teams, the green team and the orange team. One student from each team stands up. Only they are allowed to answer the question. They're going to rock, paper, scissors, and the winner is going to get to choose the letter. So after the letter's chosen, I'm going to ask the question, and those two students are the only ones that get to answer the question. Okay, so rock, paper, scissors. Okay, green team is the winner. Okay, pick a letter.
I want W.
W. Ooh. Okay, a baby's first home.
A womb.
Very nice. So the green team was faster than the orange team. So the green team, the W gets filled in. Okay, next two kids, rock, paper, scissors. Boom. Okay, this time the orange team. Got it. Pick a letter.
D.
D. Dim sum food.
Dumplings.
Oh, very nice. It was the green team again that got it. So they get the D. Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Okay, orange team again wins.
E.
E. Queen-like.
Elegant.
Oh, very nice. The orange team won. That one. And if neither of the kids know the answer, I usually give 10 seconds and then I'll say anybody and I'll get them to raise their hand. If one from each side raises their hands, I'll get them to rock, paper, scissors again, and the winner gets to say the answer. And if that team gets it wrong, the other team gets a shot.
Q.
Q. An old writing instrument.
Quill. A quill.
Very nice. Quill. Orange team. Boom.
F.
F. Gas expelled through the anus.
Fart.
No.
I don't know. Flatulent.
Flatulence. Okay, that was the green team. So if it happens that one team is dominating, let's say the orange team has a straight line all the way across. The first four letters are N, B, H, G. Orange team has them all. Maybe I'll change the rules of the game and I'm going to start choosing the letters to give the other side a chance.